All right, crappy winch is coming out. Canadian Tire Eliminator 3200. Yeah, I think I killed the winch or killed the battery. One or the other. The winch just clicks. I don't know what the battery. Let's try. Well, battery's okay. So I did something to the winch. Oh well. It was a crappy winch anyways. I didn't like that one. Alright. Crappy winch is coming out. Canadian Tire Eliminator 3200. Didn't even last a year. Just short of a year. By about 2 months maybe. It's not working anymore again. Second time I had to take the cap off after like a few months. It got wet and then something corroded in there, and so not happy with the Eliminator. It was slow, it was noisy, so and now it don't work, so it's coming out. So it's out, and now we got a Champion 3500 Champion. So we're gonna try this one. I've had good luck with Champion before, so hopefully this is going to be good. Champion's got a really nice looking hook too. Synthetic line. Quick swap out. I just left the original stuff in there because it still works with that. Right on, all good. Working winch again. So I don't have any kind of receipt or anything to say when I bought this, but obviously I bought it just after I bought the machine last July. So I'll take this apart again. I'll take the end off and see what the heck's going on, but I'm not putting it back in. Might use it for something else maybe. All right, new winch. Nice, that's a lot quieter, faster too. Right on.